Namaste, JVNs. खुश रहो बिटिया. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic quality documentation. Quality documentation is very important part of the quality assurance subject for the B Pharm 6th semester students. Good documentation and quality management principle is very important for the quality assurance. Now we come to the why. Why good documentation is essential and what constitutes good documentation. Quality management, deviation control, change control, risk management, product quality review, and all are summarized form will consider in this topic. Firstly, we discuss about the why good documentation is essential. An essential part of the quality assurance system and should exist for all aspects of GMP. Good documentation practice is an expected practice. Correct, complete, current, and consistent information effectively meet customer and stakeholder requirement. Help to reduce observations raised on inadequate documentation practices. Approve, review and update documentation. Change and current revision status of documents identified. Relevant version of applicable documents available at point of use. Documents remain legible and readily identifiable. Documents of external origin identified and their distribution control. Prevent unintended use of absolute documents and archiving. Observation on poor documentation practices, document error correction, not signed, dated, and did not include a reason for the correction. Write-overs, multiple line through and use of whiteout or other masking device. Sample sequence table and audit trial not documented. If it's not documented, it did not happen. SOP related to production, calibration, storage, and maintenance not authorized by the quality assurance head. The delegation for the batch release in case of absence of quality assurance manager not recorded document. Out of specification, procedure not detailed enough, flowchart and or checklist not available. How are mistakes corrected? Draw a single line through the error, make the correction next to the error and write an explanation for the error. Sign and date of correction. Now we come to the some tips of good documentation practices. Record should be complete at the time of activity or when any action is taken. Super documents should be retained for a specific period of time. Record should be retained for at least 1 year after the expiry date of the finished product. Concise, legal and accurate traceable. Picture is worth 1,000 words and clear examples. What is the quality management? An appropriate infrastructure or quality system encompassing the organizational structure, procedure, process and resources. Systematic action necessary to ensure adequate confidence that a product or service will satisfy given requirements for quality. The totality of these actions is termed quality assurance. Quality management and good documentation protocol is quality management system overview. Now we come to the policies, principles, processes, and work instructions, standards with guidelines, etc. Consideration of quality management to incorporate an approaches to doing business that stressed building in quality through techniques such as design, controls, continuous improvement, auditing, management review, and risk management. To incorporate a robust quality system encompassing good documentation practices, including but not limited to handling of complaints recall, change control, deviation controls, vendor qualification using appropriate risk management tools. Deviation control. What is a deviation? A departure from standard practice or specifications result in non-conforming material. A process with potential to impact on product quality, safety, efficacy, and data integrity. Planned and unplanned deviation. Different level of deviation, critical, major, and minor. How to manage deviation? Regulatory requirement to capture all sorts of deviation evolves in order to maintain the continuous improvement of process and system. Uh, Consideration of deviation management. Development policy on deviation. Determine approaches that is differentiation among various deviation. Tracking of deviation, trending of deviation, create database to assist to tracking and trending of deviation. Change control. Change control procedure reviews, verify, regulates, manages, and approves and controls changes made to the existing operating system of facility or process or procedure or document or product of any combinations. The key principle of change control are understanding and documentation. So this is the complete session of good quality documentation. Good quality documentation is very important for the good manufacturing practices and especially in pharmaceutical industries. This session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving classes. Thank you students and thank you for the listening.